We're here, Six Flags.
There's a long line. Over there to the left.
Where? Up there. Going to the water park. Let's go have fun, right, Izzy, Mom?
Yep.
And Zoe? And Isa? We're still early, so I know there's not a lot of people right now. They're just barely coming in. But check out the Dippin' Dots. Yeah, no, it's gonna get a little busy. Or busier. Nah.
Could have sworn I seen a finger, a little bird. Want to take a picture? Uncover her face. She was thinking about it. She's like, I don't know about this one.
For Mom right now, she went to go change at the lockers. Well, the bathroom. And then me and Izzy were gonna go change, and we're ready to go swim. Zoe, you ready to swim? Yeah, me too. You ready to go on the water? Yeah, and then we'll go on the ride afterwards. Okay. All right, we'll take it smooth.
Oh, she's gonna love that.
Let me drink some soda. Look, come here.
Bye.
It relaxed you. I know. It relaxed you, Zoe? The water? You were having fun with the water? Yeah, me too. Easy too. We'll come back again, okay? We have to get going because it's going to rain at 3 o'clock. I know. We were having fun. You went on a slide? On the water slide?
Next time you should go on the other one. Right?
It was fun, right, Izzy?
Yeah.
I know. Mom went to go change again. We're getting ready to leave already. It's really hot.
Right?
Yeah. At first, when you go in the water, it's like cold. It was. But right now we came out like wow.
You get used to it. You get used to the water and you get.
Yeah.
It's
For the day today, it was fun.
Right?
It was basically all by ourselves. I mean, it's people, but not a lot.